Hi everyone, I am Professor M.S. Thamboli. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Friends, in the first part, we are seeing the prepositions such as at, in, during, into, on, onto, from, since, for, to, and of with suitable examples. In today's part, we are going to focus on the remaining prepositions such as by, with, of, across, along, over, above, under, below, in front of, behind, between, and among. I am sure at the end of this presentation you will be able to make use of these prepositions effectively. So friends, let's get started. The first preposition is by, and by is used to show the time. वेळ दर्शवण्याकरता बायचा वापर केला जातो. Example, I will finish my work by Friday. Then our examination will have finished by next week. Then by is used to show means. माध्यम दर्शवण्याकरता बायचा वापर होतो. Example, the guests arrived here by train. Then I am traveling by a private vehicle. By is used in passive voice, and the example is the work is completed by her. Then the instructions are given by the teacher. Next preposition is with. With plus abstract noun is used to show the manner. With आणि भावाचक नाम याने manner म्हणजेच पद्धती दर्शवली जाते. Example, he spoke with confidence and she faced the interview with courage. With is used to show means. माध्यम दर्शवण्याकरता with चा वापर केला जातो. Example, she touched her face with her fingers. She cuts the cake with a knife. Then with is used to show the company of someone or something. एखाद्याची सोबत किंवा संगत दर्शवण्याकरता with चा वापर केला जातो. I enjoyed the movie with my friends. Accept your invitation with a great joy. The next prepositions, these are of, across, over, and along. With the help of an animation, we can show the exact use of these prepositions. So here is the animation. So see, of, then across and over, then along, and through, and the examples. We stayed off the city, OFF, of the city. Then she swims across the river. We walked along the road. You can imagine with the help of that animation. The wind blew through the trees. Next prepositions are over, under, in front of, behind, and below. So let's see the uses of these prepositions. Here is an animation. So there is a car and two boys are there. The boy at the left side is just behind the car, and the boy at the right side is in front of the car. Then see the position of over. It is exactly vertical. Then above can be anywhere, not directly vertical. Similarly under is at lower position but directly vertical. On the other hand, below is there. Below can be anywhere at the lower position. And the examples: the school is in front of my house. Then there is a bridge over the river. And they live below on the first floor. Look at the fishes under the water. She stood behind the door. The bird is above the tree. Then we'll see uses of preposition above. Above चे वापर कशा प्रकारे होतात ते पाहूया. Above is used to show something which is higher than something else. For example, the bird is above the tree. It means anywhere at highest position, not directly vertical. Here we consider level and not the height. For example, the clouds gathered above his head. Above is used when there is no movement. For example, the painting is above the sofa. Then above is also used to show average. Example, his performance is above the average. Over is used to show the direct vertical relation. For example, he had an injury over his right eye. Then over is also used to show the movement. When there is a movement, generally we prefer over to above. Example, he jumped over the wall. Now see here, while jumping there is a movement, and that's why preposition over. There is a contact or cover, we use the preposition over. For example, put the blanket over his body. Then over means more than. Example, over 100 of people were gathered there. Under is used to show something lower than something else. When there is a direct vertical relation, under is used. For example, she is standing under the tree. Now here one should notice that there is a direct relation between her and the tree. Means they are directly in a vertical line. Then when there is movement, we use under. The ball rolled under the car. Under means less than. Example, under 20, under age, etc. Then under is used as a prefix. And the example, under pressure, underestimate, etc. Preposition below is used to refer to something which is at lower position anywhere. Example, the fish is below the water. Now the fish is not exactly in a vertical position, but it can be anywhere. So below is used. Then whenever there is a space between two surfaces, below preposition is used. Example, their house is below our house. Now we will see some exercises on these prepositions, and the question is use suitable prepositions in the blanks. The first one, she cuts the cake dash dash the knife. He is traveling dash dash the train. It is gifted to him dash dash his sister. Then she spoke dash dash confidence. Make your choice dash dash two of these things. The toffees were distributed dash dash all the children. Put the blanket dash dash his head. Next, the plane is flying dash dash the city. She has got dash dash 70% of marks. Temperature is dash dash 40 degrees Celsius. Think over these exercises and we'll be back within few seconds. So let's see the answers to these exercises. The first one, she cuts the cake with the knife. Means, there is means and that's why with has been used. Then he is traveling by the train, again to show the means, माध्यम दर्शनाकरता by use केलेले आहे. Then it is gifted to him by his sister. Passive voice is there. Then she spoke with confidence. Now here with plus abstract noun. Make your choice between two of these things. There are two things and that's why between has been used. The toffees were distributed among all the children. See, here we have more than two number of children are there and that's why among. Put the blanket over his head. Now direct contact is there and that's why over. Next, the plane is flying over the city. Now when there is movement we make use of over. She has got about 70% of marks. To show the average we make use of above. Then temperature is above 40 degrees Celsius. This is all about prepositions. We have seen these prepositions in detail with suitable examples. And thank you very much for being with me in this second part of preposition under the grammar series. Please don't forget to press like and subscribe icons below this YouTube video. So see you in the next part and thank you very much.